Kenna, are you talking to me? Tell me about your life. Oh, is it horrible? Kenna. Kenna, tell me your life is just great. Tell me what's wrong. Tell me. Oh. Is it that bad? Kenna. Hi. Are you crying? That's not a real cry. Yeah. Give me a goanna. You're not even crying. No, you're not crying. Is it horrible? Yeah. Has nobody picked you up in like 3 minutes?
Faker.
You are kind of faking. Well, say hi. Say hi. Are we spoiling you? Yeah.
Teddy baby.
Are we spoiling you? Are you spoiled? Oh, are we done?
Well, that didn't work. Plan B, I guess.
Okay, let me grin. If I start smiling, maybe somebody will pick me up.
She's got it down.
She does. She's got it figured out. Like, if I cry, then... if I cry, somebody picks me up.
Good.
Oh, now we're getting serious.